Hey guys, what's up? It's me, the Oblivion Videos, aka Malt Liquor Michael. It's a little dark. Here, take this. There you go. Hey guys, what's up? It's me, it's Malt Liquor Michael. Today we got King Cobra. 6% ABV. What does ABV stand for? It stands for none of your freaking business. Let's get into this. By the way, I know people have been asking me. I've been getting like letters in the mail a couple times. A couple fans want to know where the video's been. You know, I came back and said there'd be videos. There's no videos. Well, here's your freaking video, guy. Yeah. So King Cobra malt liquor. Let's get the snap. Let's get the snap. Oh, now that's nice. Now that's nice. So I don't know where we are exactly. So that's kind of a problem, but that's not a big problem. I ran in like a freaking gazebo, and they said, "Hey, come check out this gazebo." But I don't know where the hell this is. This isn't even in my state, to be honest. So, I don't think it's in the country, but I'm not too sure. Dilemma aside, we're having a fun freaking time, guys, and I'm not having it alone. I'm having it with you guys, my loyal fans and viewers. I mean, it just puts a smile on my freaking face to know you guys are here with me for the journey. So, without further ado, that's French, I think. I don't know. I took a Latin class in high school, so I can't really speak anything but like English and Latin. But I can't even speak Latin. Not very good at English either. But regardless, let's get into it. As my favorite philosopher of all time, 209 J. Jones, has said, malt liquor. Now that's a that's a fan freaking tastic drink. Yeah, it will be a bit better to be honest, but like all I've kind of eaten for like a couple days is like orange rinds. So I need like some nourishment. And this doesn't offer much, but yeah, if you like can triangulate my location real quick and then, so you ever see that movie Castaway with Tom Hanks? Malt liquor. Yeah, that's some good stuff for sure. That's some good King Cobra. I like this stuff. It's it's how do you veni vidi vici, as they say in Latin, or as I like to say, my personal favorite motto, veni vidi veni. Anyways, malt liquor. I don't know how much is in here, man. By the way, apologies in advance if you hear a little outburst again. I found this like a Sherpa type guy. He told me he'd shepherd me back to civilization, which was why I kind of hired him in the first place. But beside the point, say, oh, yeah, come this way, we'll get to civilization. Yeah, okay, but where? You didn't fucking specify where. I don't know where I am. I don't. I just simply don't know where the fuck I am. This guy's just taking me in circles, pulling me for a fucking malt liquor. No, that's some good malt liquor, definitely. I love King Cobra malt liquor. Yeah, it's good stuff. Anyways, what was I saying about my Sherpa? You know, they're kind of fucking me over here, but he's got
Captain Jack.
what's that disease he doesn't have like lymph nodes or something like that. I don't know. I honestly don't know. It's something. I mean, you can pipe up, you can tell us what it is, but that's fine. You piped up before, and look where we are now. Malt liquor. Oh, I love malt liquor. Oh, this is great stuff. I love King Cobra. Malt liquor. This is good stuff. You fucked me, dude. Where the yeah, there's more videos on the way, definitely. We're gonna be doing more. We're gonna do more malt liquor. Oh boy. Oh boy, I love malt liquor. It settles in the stomach so well. Shout out to our sponsor today, Skillshare. We're sponsored by a Skillshare today. Use code. What's the code? You are the one that has the code. I don't know what the code is. We're gonna lose the fucking sponsorship, dude. There's a contractually obligated to have the malt liquor. Oh, I love malt liquor. I love King Cobra. I mean, I don't need to say anything, right? You know. You, the viewer, know. The Sherpa knows. Yeah, you go ahead over there. What did you see? A fucking flower? Yeah, check out the flower. Maybe it's got termites on it, huh? Because, like, what is this? Like an Airbnb? I didn't just pay. I don't have an Airbnb account. So you took me in the fucking opposite direction, man. Malt liquor. I love malt liquor. I love King Cobra. I love this. I mean, you can wait with that. Fuck me, dude. Malt liquor. I love King Cobra. Fuck Skillshare. I hate Skillshare. We're not sponsored by Skillshare. This Sherpa sponsored by Skillshare. I'm not. So it's not the Sherpa's video as much as he wants to fucking think it is. Oh, go this way. You'll have a great time. This is the correct way. I'm not having a good time until I drink King Cobra. Sponsored by King Cobra. Oh god. Oh. I love King Cobra. I love malt liquor. Malt liquor. I love King Cobra. I love malt liquor. It's the best. I love King Cobra. I saw a goddamn mountain lion the other day. Let's talk about that. There's no mountains, right? So, like, what? I don't get it. He takes me on the fucking flat land, this goddamn Sherpa, and I see a fucking mountain lion in a plain, in a valley. I just don't understand. Malt liquor. I love malt liquor. I love King Cobra. Shout out to King Cobra. I love my. I'm not on vacation. Just so you know, this isn't even a vacation. I don't know where I found the fucking Sherpa, to be honest. Ended up in bumfuck. What is this? Ohio? Am I in Ohio? Use your words. Ohio. Yeah. In fucking Louisiana, guys. I love King Cobra. I love malt liquor. Malt liquor. Oh.